Hey everybody, welcome back to Russell's Garage. And yes, we are back in the garage. It's been a long time since we've been back in the garage. And it's been a nightmare since this hurricane came through here, dealing with insurance adjusters, trying to get the property fixed, doing all kinds of other stuff. But we are back in the garage and we're getting back on the Rambler. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start cleaning up some wiring here in the engine bay. My buddy, he's supposed to be coming by and we're going to yank this motor out. We got to get this car done. So stick around and let's get started. I'm Russell. Welcome to Russell's Garage. So what I'm going to want to start doing is I want to start cleaning up this mess, getting some wires, hoses out of here, stuff that's going to be in our way when we get ready to pull this motor, just to make it easier, because once we get this motor out, I got to start the body work in the engine bay and everything so we can get the motor back in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to start disassembling stuff in here. The vehicle is going to get a new wiring harness. A lot of this wire I'm just going to cut because we're putting new in, and we're just not going to need a lot of it. So this battery tray is toasted. We're going to go ahead and get the remainders of that battery tray out of there. So I don't know if you can see on this battery tray, from the years we have rust here, and I'm going to have to patch that. So we need to get this battery tray out of here. There's a couple screws up under here. The rest of it's rusted off here, so I'm not even going to worry about that, because I got to cut that out and weld in a nice patch panel there. That's why I need this motor to come out. That little screw's being a bugger there. But I got me a brand new can of this PB Blaster. I'm gonna blast this sucker open here. I'm gonna let that sit and get started on getting more of this wiring and crap out of here. I am surprised the battery acid didn't eat through this wiring. Yes, sir. Don't need that. This. Boy, thing is tight. Been on there for a while. Don't need that. Yeah. I'm gonna need that. Don't need that. And we don't need that. And we don't need that. Okay. Don't need that. Well, guys, my buddy Tim showed up, and we're gonna get this motor out of here so we can get this all rebuilt and get the engine bay all cleaned up and get this car done. So let's get started on this. should. We'll see. Yep. Whoa.
You know what that noise was?
Yeah, the lifters that I dropped down in there that I was trying to get out. It's so thick. Those are probably 7/16. Huh? Turn it off. It's not cold. I'm not touching my controller right now. So it's bigger than a half, so it's got to be 9/16, which I know I have a 9/16 around here. And that's a 5/8. Where's my 9/16 socket? Go ahead. Ah, fuck it. I wanted 3/8, but I'll use 1/2 inch. Well, that's 9/16. I had a half. I know, but I had tried a 1/2 and 3/8, and it was too small.
Right at me.
Yeah.
You don't have a 1/2 and 3/8 and do if you're gonna go with everything?
I do. That's why I grabbed that 1/2 right here. Right there. That says 1/2 inch. And it was too small. Oh, that was the 9/16.
Fit.
It did this time. Maybe it's just all the oil. Huh? Is the camera getting this? My little extra battery thing is looking good. Except it looks like it's died. It's not just oil. I see washers and crap. So it says going to the machine shop. Oh, it popped like a valve cover should.
True. How bad it is. Ain't too bad. Yeah, figured that. Yeah, they're all in one spot.
See, there's the pickup too. No, but it probably has to come up a little bit. Let me grab the magnet. I got this one. It might be powerful enough.
Not connected at all. Just got it out. It's got to be cleaned really good.
Oh, I know. I got new
You ever
ones.
reused them?
No, I got brand new ones. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Actually, if we roll it back over, we can just pop them out. Ew. She got doo-doo. Look at that. Thing was rolling around in the water. It's got to get clean and good. I got to see what the machine shot. Got to charge.
But still, I mean, health really is not that bad.
No, it's not. Let's go ahead and the pistons. I mean, looks like,
Bob Snapper.
yeah, I'm looking at where the piston and the rod meets. Let's go ahead and. Put that there. Huh? Ugh. Yeah. Should be wearing steel toe boots.
Watch your toes.
I know, that's what I said. It should have steel toe boots. That's, yeah. Is that all of them? Did I miss any?
Cool. This thing is just gonna have to get sprayed and sit.
All right. Look at the milk. Where'd that come from? I mean, these are solid lifters. They could get cleaned up, but they could be warped, and they might be, you know. Yeah, I know. You beat the crap out of me. You know, 12 of them, $250. It's only money. Most expensive lifters in the world. Look at it. You just see how much this block. This has to go get baked and cleaned because there's just so much water and gunk inside of it. That's why I don't know if we should pop the pistons out or what.
They should be able to do it there.
Yeah, but they charge you.
Not asking you how much it would be. Because if that's the case, at least they'll clean all of it.
Yeah,
They'll clean the pistons and everything.
right. I'll call them. You know, they were $50 a head.
Throw in some money if I need to.
They were $50 a head when I took that head over there. So I'm thinking maybe 100, 150.
But hey, and tell them that oil pump is fucking stuck in the block. Can you guys get that out?
Well, I'd like to try to get that out because I am not spending the money for an oil pump. That is insane.
Well, if that's the case, like I said, you got to spray it.
That's.
Turn it to greaser.
I'm trying to find my PB Blaster right
And
now.
it's gonna have to sit there
Yeah,
because that shit.
it's just like the distributor was.
Yeah.
Because, like, remember when I took that head and they had to get that sensor out? And they're like, well, we can't guarantee no damage. Well, I can't. I'm not. Like $600.
Damn. That's crazy.
And it's a reman. It's rebuilt. You got to send this one in, just like the water pump.
I mean, the gears in there are good.
Right.
You know it pumps.
We know it pumps.
Oh, look, it's coming right out.
It's no problem when you don't have a motor mount up against it.
No, do you know how hard it was just to get it away from the block?
Yeah, I was here. I don't know.
Yeah, you guys sprayed it up.
Yeah, we sprayed a lot of this thing.
pistons out, clean those too.
Hone it, because if we get it honed, I don't want it bored. I just want the cylinders crosshatched and honed.
That'll clean that.
It'll clean all that, yeah. Because I'm not buying pistons. I mean, I could buy everything to rebuild it. Is right. There's a lot of compression in it. But every passage needs, I mean, look at this. I mean, it needs to be really, it needs to be baked, cleaned. But I mean, we're probably gonna have to pull this off. I don't know. We'll send it, take that line off. We're gonna have to straighten that out. That got mangled. Ain't nothing but a piece of, oh, I know. I can take a hammer and dolly and flatten it back out.
Well, it's out of it.
Right. Well, guys, here it is. She's out and she's ready to get rebuilt. Well, not yet. She's going to go to the machine shop, get all machined up. And it was a fighter, mainly our engine hoist. I don't know what happened to that. That thing's brand new. I bought it 2 years ago, used it once, and the cylinder is just messing up on it. So, but we'll get back at it, and we got a lot more work to do on here, but we're making progress. And I got a show I'm going to this Saturday. We'll be doing some videos on that, and we'll get back to the garage. It's good to be back in the garage. It's been a while. So, thanks for watching. And we'll catch you on the next one.